tell you exactly what we are getting to know from the top Congress party leaders in Uttar Pradesh who have been shifted to their party office in Lucknow. Now, last night, fearing house arrest, exactly what happened with the leaders of the Samajwadi Party when they attempted to visit Sambhal. The leaders led by Ajay Rai from the Congress Party, according to reports, they spent a night in the Congress office last night. Now, the administration has put orders in place to prevent the entry of outsiders till the December month we are looking at by the 11th. But despite the orders, Congress netas say that they cannot be stopped. Earlier, there was an SP delegation, as I was saying, that back on Saturday, they too attempted to visit Sambhal, but they were also stopped by the administration.
ये पार्टी ऑफिस में रुकने का कारण ये रहा कि ये घर घर पे सबको जाकर परेशान करना, सबके घरों पर पुलिस को भेजना। तो हम लोग सभी कार्यकर्ताओं ने मन बनाया कि हम लोग एक जगह रहेंगे और हमारा मंदिर है, हमारा ये सबसे बड़ा स्थान है हमारे लिए। तो हम कार्यालय में सब अपने कार्यकर्ता रहेंगे, अपने मंदिर में रहेंगे, जहाँ से पूरी हमारी पार्टी आज सैकड़ों सालों से आज संचालित हो रही है। तो और ये सबसे ऐतिहासिक स्थान है हमारा भी सौभाग्य है कि हम यहाँ आज रहे और सभी कार्यकर्ताओं के साथ सुख दुख की बातें हुई और आगे की रणनीति तय हुई कि कैसे हम लोग जाएंगे, क्या करेंगे। तो आज हम लोग कार्यालय पर जमीन पर सोए हैं, अंदर अभी आप देख सकते हैं जाकर, और हमारे कई कार्यकर्ता डटकर खड़े हैं हमारे साथ। हम सब लोग लड़ेंगे और न्याय दिलाएंगे।
Well, let's get in a word from Adib as well, who is joining us live right now. Adib, we are expecting a lot of action there outside the Congress party office there in Lucknow as well. Have they been camping at the party office fearing house arrest? What happened with the leaders of the Samajwadi Party and their delegation before?
Well, definitely, Amita, say this is what exactly the strategy of Congress party was. They gathered all in the party office last night at around 9 and 9:30. They held a meeting with the delegation leaders who all are going to visit Sambhal, and they decided that they'll be staying in the party office. If they'll be heading back towards their home at night, there might have been police presence outside their houses also, just like what happened with the Samajwadi Party leaders, especially with the UP LOP Mata Prasad Pandey. So all the delegation, including Ajay Rai, they stayed at the Congress party office overnight, and now a heavy police force has been deployed outside the Congress office in Lucknow. There are prohibitory orders in Sambhal at place by the DM Sambhal, banning the entry of outsiders into the Sambhal borders till 10th of December, and it is most unlikely that the Congress delegation will be allowed to visit Sambhal, and they'll be stopped here in Lucknow itself. Exactly like what happened with the Samajwadi Party delegation with their other MP who were trying to come to Sambhal from even Delhi borders. They were stopped at the Ghaziabad border and at different places. So this is the same strategy what the Uttar Pradesh police is going to take today. Also, they are going to give the notices to the Congress delegation saying that the DM Sambhal has banned the entry of outsiders and they can visit after the 10th of December when the DM Sambhal allows the entry of outsider in the border of Sambhal.
Possible step by the police, by the administration has been taken there in Sambhal to maintain law and order. Of course, that came in also in the directions of the Supreme Court, but it seems that political parties like the Samajwadi Party, which was stopped earlier, the Congress party today attempting to visit the violence hit area. But we also